When you have finished this topic, you should be able to do the following. Tell the difference between portrait and landscape page orientation. Change the page orientation of a document, and switch between different views in a document. The direction in which a page is turned is known as its orientation. The page can be either portrait or landscape, just like a painting. Landscape orientation is used for pages that are wider than they are tall. Portrait orientation is used for pages that are taller than they are wide. It's important to set the page to the most suitable orientation before printing, or the text may not print out properly. For example, if you try to print a wide page in portrait view or a narrow page in landscape view, the text would not fit onto the page. In Word, the standard page orientation is portrait, but this doesn't work for all documents. For example, if we scroll over to the right of this document, we can see that it's cut short at the edge of the page. To fit a wide document like this on the page, we need to change the orientation to landscape. You can do this by displaying the Page Layout tab. And then clicking Orientation. This is where you choose which way your page should go. Please click to change the orientation to landscape. That's correct. As you can see, the entire document fits neatly onto one page now. This document is in Print Layout view. It shows you where each page ends and the next begins. It is useful to see exactly where text and other things will appear on a printed page. However, Print Layout view isn't always the best view to use when working with tables. See, here the table is split, making it hard to read. It would be easier to read the data on screen if this page break wasn't visible. To see this table without a gap between the pages, we need to switch to Draft View, which is available on the View tab. The easiest way to switch view is by using these Document Views buttons. At the moment, the Print Layout View button is selected. Let's try a different view. Please change to Draft View now. That's correct. In this view, the page break is indicated just by a dotted line. This makes it much easier to work with this document. Another way to switch to a different view is to click the View shortcuts on the status bar. Here you can choose the view you prefer. People have different preferences regarding which view they work in. Now you know how to switch between them, you can decide for yourself.